Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create or add Google Translate on desktop. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want add or create Google Translate shortcut in desktop, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Then click on Google Apps. In this, little bit scroll down. Now you can see here Translate. Click on this. You can see here Translate. From here you can translate, detect language and translate language. For shortcut, click on three dots. Click on Cost, Save and Share. Then you can see here Create shortcut. Click here. Click on Create. Then select here Desktop. Close this window. You can see here Google Translate has been added on desktop. That's it guys. So in this way you create or add Google Translate shortcut in desktop. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.